Hey, we're in my bedroom now and I'm gonna replace the ceiling fan. Honestly, it's just a little too big for my room, so I picked up this smaller fan on Amazon. Let's get it installed. All right, here's a close-up look of the light. Now this is definitely gonna be a little smaller than your traditional ceiling fan, but that's kind of what I wanted for this bedroom. It's about 20 inches in diameter. The fans are pretty lightweight. Here you can see it's got a mounting bracket and your wiring inside. This comes with instructions, some handy gloves. This, I guess, wasn't necessary, but nice touch, I guess. Got some mounting hardware, your remote. This is remote controlled, but you can screw your remote onto the wall. So let's get this thing wired up and I'll show you how it works. All right, so we got the fan installed. It didn't take too long, and I love that it was a lot more lightweight than your standard ceiling fans. That made it easier, and it's definitely smaller, but this is what I preferred. I wanted a more minimalistic, modern look for my bedroom. There is a convenient remote that comes with this, and then we'll go to the fan part here. There are 6 different speed settings. This does pump out a decent amount of air for how it being smaller than a standard ceiling fan. This also doesn't vibrate. My old ceiling fan shook and it was a little off balance. This is much more balanced and even. What's also cool about this is that it can be controlled on your phone. And here's a little insight into the app itself. You can change the speed. You can change your brightness settings. Here's your brightest option on the light. Makes it a lot easier on the app itself to change your brightness settings. So you got like a more bright white option here. Here's a warmer option. And then here's the third option itself. And then on the app too, it's pretty easy to change your brightness. You can see I'm just turning it right down. And you can really dial it right into how bright or dim that you want this. I have read there's some issues with people linking their phone to the fan. What I think the biggest issue is you have to physically shut the power off to your ceiling fan. So I don't have a light switch on the wall, so I had to turn my breaker off. But when you kill the power completely, let it stay off for about 10 seconds, turn it on, and then you're gonna press this link button, this Bluetooth link button. That's how I got it to set up and work. Overall, I really like how simple yet sleek looking this fan is. It takes up a lot less space. It's quieter. It pumps out a good amount of air. I love being able to control this on my phone and the remote as well. My favorite part of this is you can change the style of lighting and you can make it brighter or dimmer depending on the ambience that you want.